I mean, hands down, one of the most incredible experiences I've ever had, not only with skill building and learning something new, which is always humbling, but also being able to get together with a group of badass women and learn this stuff in this beautiful, beautiful place. It's undescribable. It was an amazing experience. I mean, the fact that this class exists in the first place is really a gift. And especially right now, given the storm and everything that's going on, to be head down, grounded, and really centered, and have fun and laugh, I'm very grateful for that. I want to like shout it from the rooftops, like, come to Wild Abundance.